Petalesamon today. We're walking today. It's been about a minute. So mga 2 minutes away lang pala yung most popular Korean restaurant. Most popular Korean restaurant na Malahang.
I smash.
Oh, last time ba nahulog? No, it's okay. Maliwanag man sa...
Oh my god, it's full. Grabe.
Oh no! Nahulog nga. Paano ito i-open? I didn't see the card, so...
Super.
1, 2, 3. Oh, it's the same as yours. Ay, sino yung mayroong ganito? Yeah, I like the fox. I like the fox one. Actually, gusto ko yung rose, pero okay lang. It's cute. Petalesamon today. Na-excite ako, guys. Huwag niyo ako i-judge kasi Sailor Moon at si Tuxedo Mask lang kilala ko. Sige, memorize natin. Okay?
Alright.
What if si Tuxedo Mask? Yeah, wala na akong magawa kung si Tuxedo Mask. 1, 2, 3. Oh! It's Sailor Moon!
She resonated with the box literally.
Gusto ko yung chocolate si Tito Andrew. So cute, Sailor Moon. Help me decide, guys. I'm picking between this one because it's Powerpuff and it's like a bag charm. This one because it's a photo holder but it's not Powerpuff. But it's cute. Look. So this is from Lush Karma Essentials. Potato corner.
상관은 없지.
I made the right decision to order pasta lang. Gratin? Ah, gratin. Ano daw?
I don't get it, but okay.
Kasi makita ang fake.
I really like strawberry ice cream talaga.
I'm supposed to buy wet tissue lang. Pero madami akong nabili. We're going up to watch a movie. Let's see. Yeah, 1 bottled water. Kasha man lang sa dalawa. Dahil Inglaterra kami bumili pa. Oh my god! First time to trade in a while. Lucky agad! Movie number 2. I watched Daiso Japan. Ice tray. Container. Pasta ilalagay ko dyan. Mga cleaning brush. Containers. Strainer. Trees. My favorite pie. Ayan. One of my favorite cereals. Ito. For breakfast or midnight snack. Snacks. Got condensed milk for my coffee. Also for my coffee and for the cereal as well. Black. My first time to try this snake brand. I'm super pawisan, so I've been wanting to try this. I wanted to try the lavender because I really love lavender scent stuff. Pero ito lang yung meron, so let's try this out. Then I always have this. Yung pang baby pinipili ko kasi medyo maliit lang naman yung noo ko. I also got a small pack of bandages. Ano ba tawag dito? And then I'm trying this brand. This is supposedly paraben-free, alcohol-free, chlorine-free, plant-based, antibacterial white. So, blessed. Ito yung binibili ko. Safeguard Pure White. Watsons, Gaviscon, wet tissue for my bag. Buy one, take one to. So, ito yung binili ko. And I always have lozenges. We're here again. You want sabak.
Oh, what? Shiny.
Pangit reset. Bitter. Hindi na ako naghinga. Nakalimutan ko na maghinga. Oh. Ay, OA. Okay, let's see how many stars.
First pa yung so sad.
Kaya nga gusto. Whatever, hindi ako addict. Char. The 3 stars. Alam ko nagka-shiny ka, shut up.